Hi listeners, welcome back to Kokajin channel, learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today we're going to study some vocabularies. Let's start the lesson now. Last.
Berakhir, berlangsung.
How long did the movie last?
Berapa lama film itu berakhir?
The play lasts 2.5 hours.
Drama itu berlangsung selama 2,5 jam.
The film lasted 3 hours.
Film ini berlangsung 3 jam.
Start, begin, end.
Mulai, akhiri.
The feature started at 9 o'clock and ended at 11:30.
Pertunjukan dimulai pada jam 9 dan berakhir pada jam 11.30.
The movie starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 11:30.
Film dimulai pada jam 9 dan berakhir pada jam 11.30.
What time does the movie start? When does it end?
Jam berapa filmnya dimulai? Kapan ini berakhir?
What time does the next feature begin?
Jam berapa pertunjukan berikutnya dimulai?
Enjoy.
Suka, menikmati.
The new play was good and everybody enjoyed it.
Drama baru itu bagus dan semua orang menikmatinya.
He enjoys dancing.
Dia suka menari.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
Apakah Anda menikmati makan malam Anda?
Get someplace.
Sampai, tiba.
He gets here at 8 o'clock every morning.
Dia tiba di sini pada jam 8 setiap pagi.
By the time we got there, the play had already begun.
Saat kami sampai di sana, pertunjukan sudah dimulai.
Did they get there in time for the feature?
Apakah mereka sampai di sana tepat waktu untuk pertunjukan itu?
Show.
Menunjukkan.
The usher showed us to our seats.
Petugas mengantar kami ke tempat duduk kami.
The waiter shows us to our table every day.
Pelayan menunjukkan kami ke meja kami setiap hari.
The usher is showing us to our seats now.
Petugas mengantar kami ke tempat duduk kami sekarang.
Include.
Termasuk.
The cast of the play included a famous actor.
Pemeran drama itu termasuk aktor terkenal.
Dinner includes meat, 2 vegetables, and a dessert.
Makan malam termasuk daging, 2 sayuran, dan makanan penutup.
Does the cast include famous actors?
Apakah pemerannya termasuk aktor terkenal?
Learn how to.
Belajar bagaimana.
My brother wants to learn how to dance.
Saudaraku ingin belajar menari.
My sister is learning how to dance.
Saudariku sedang belajar menari.
I want to learn how to speak French.
Saya ingin belajar bagaimana berbicara bahasa Prancis.
Be accustomed to.
Terbiasa.
I'm not accustomed to going out after dark.
Saya tidak terbiasa keluar setelah gelap.
She's not accustomed to serving desserts with dinner.
Dia tidak terbiasa menyajikan makanan penutup dengan makan malam.
I was accustomed to getting up early every morning.
Saya terbiasa bangun pagi setiap pagi.
That's the end of the lesson. Please be kind enough as to subscribe, like and share this link to others. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.